Hi viewers, my name is Barista Andrea and welcome back to my channel. So basically in today's video, I am not going to teach anything about coffees or beverages, anything related to that, but simply I'm going to share with you some of the different things that I do at home, most especially in this season of the COVID-19 or coronavirus, like we know. So basically, like you saw when the video was starting, I started with a guitar. I am trying to learn how to play this guitar. Remember, with the situation of being quarantined, we are not allowed to go outside or anywhere to visit friends, to do anything at all. So I decided to get a new friend who is the guitar, my second friend, because I already have a friend called Abdul. So like you listen to this tune. Then I started doing the worst thing I hated in high school, reading books like this one. I am trying to learn how to read books, but the more I read this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and the story behind these guys, then I am changing my diet. Remember when we are at our workplaces, we always consume one item at a time. One item at a time. It's coffee, milk, different beverages, but it rounds up to one thing. Every day try to consume the one thing, which is coffee, milk, let me say soda, and different other beverages, which I am tired of. So as I'm trying to relax in this period of the coronavirus or COVID-19, I am changing my diet to fruits and vegetables, like you see. Then I'm switching to fruits, lemon, like you see. What I decided to do during this period is to change my diet and start working out on my body. I was growing Hi, welcome back. So like you've seen in that tutorial, all those videos of the exercises that I've been trying to work out, try to reduce on the weight of my body, build on my immunity within the body, and any other functions that scientists know about. I believe you can also try this at home. After those exercises, it being the fact that I am not in the gym, I have to take a glass of this hot cocktail, which comprises of the honey, lemon, orange, and garlic juice. It's quite warm, so I have to take it when it's still warm so that I can get to cut out all those small fats that have remained into my body. Cheers. And then I have to eat my vegetables that are going to run through the process before I have dinner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.